Editing wasn't the hard part. Starting was. A blank timeline, too many tools, too many decisions before anything even moved. That's where time disappeared. FlexClip fixes that. Instead of asking you to edit, it asks one simple thing. What are you trying to make? A YouTube video, a reel, a promo, an intro? Pick one. The rest is handled. FlexClip is an online video editor built for speed. No installs, no learning curve, no software eating up storage. Open the browser, log in, and everything is ready. It works on any device anywhere as long as there's an internet connection. Templates are already there. Stock videos, images, and music are built in. No tab hopping, no asset hunting, no digging through folders trying to find that one clip. The workflow is simple. Pick a template or start from scratch. Drag in your footage, images, or text. Customize what you need. Export. That's it. The interface feels familiar. If you've used something like Canva, you'll pick this up in minutes. The AI tools are where it really shines. Turn an image into a moving video with a short prompt. Turn text into a full video in seconds. Add subtitles automatically without syncing anything by hand. Generate voiceovers in different languages and tones.
FlexClip text-to-speech.
Over 400 voices across more than 140 languages. Create music tracks and sound effects with AI built right into the editor. No need to leave the platform or search for royalty-free audio somewhere else. Nothing here feels over-engineered. Prompts stay simple. Controls stay visible. Results show up fast. That's the key difference. Momentum. Instead of spending time tweaking timelines, energy goes into ideas. Instead of perfecting one video, multiple versions get created and tested. Square for Instagram, vertical for TikTok, wide for YouTube. All from the same starting point. Switching between aspect ratios takes seconds, not a full re-edit. One project, multiple outputs. And that matters more than people realize. Consistency on social media isn't about making one perfect video. It's about showing up regularly. The creators who grow are the ones who post, learn, adjust, and post again. FlexClip makes that cycle faster. So who is this actually for? Content creators who need to move fast, small business owners making their own promos, freelancers building client work without expensive software, educators putting together lessons and explainers, social media managers juggling multiple platforms and deadlines. Basically, anyone who needs video but doesn't want video editing to become a second job. FlexClip doesn't replace creativity. It removes friction. For beginners, it lowers the barrier so publishing actually happens. There's no steep learning curve. No watching hours of tutorials before making the first cut. For experienced creators, it shortens the distance between idea and upload. That's where consistency comes from. Not from skill, but from speed. There's also something underrated here, the cost. There's a free plan that lets you test most features before spending anything. The paid plans are affordable, and credits for AI tools don't burn through your budget. That makes experimenting realistic. Try things, scrap them, generate again. No pressure to get it right on the first attempt. Traditional editing software can feel heavy, big downloads, steep learning curves, features built for professionals that most people never touch. FlexClip strips all of that away. It's not trying to be a Hollywood post-production suite. It's trying to get a video from your head to the internet as fast as possible. And it does that well. The result? More output, less burnout, faster turnaround. If video editing has ever felt heavier than it should, FlexClip is worth testing. The link is in the description. And one question before you go. What slows video creation down the most for you right now? Editing, captions, audio, or just starting? Let me know in the comments.